Welcome to the HotHealth training module, where you'll learn how to set up and manage the custom page section. In this session, we'll guide you through the steps to configure custom page settings and show you how to make the most of this flexible feature. The custom page section can be tailored to suit your organization's needs. It could serve as an online forms page for collecting client information, a commercial page to showcase products and fundraising initiatives, or even a dedicated space for resources and announcements. To access the custom page settings, start by clicking on the Profile button and selecting Dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the section Settings and click on Custom Page. In the custom page settings, you have several options to configure the section according to your needs. You can change the section name, add a customized page URL, make the section visible. It can be viewable by a group or by the public, and display it in the navigation menu to ensure easy access. You may also set who can manage the page and customize the body depending on how you want to utilize it. The body section provides flexible formatting options, allowing you to adjust text styles and layouts to suit your content. You can also add photos and videos to make the page more engaging, or insert hyperlinks to connect clients directly to other pages, resources, or external sites. These options give you full control over the look, feel and functionality of the page, ensuring it meets the specific needs of your organization. Once you have finalized your configurations, make sure to click Save to apply all changes. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.